In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name on Zoho Mail. Changing the name that appears when you send an email is really important, especially if you've recently updated your personal details, changed jobs, or want your messages to look more professional. In Zoho Mail, this display name is what your recipients see in their inbox right next to your email address. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho Mail account in your web browser. Once you're on the main inbox screen, look towards the top right corner of the page. There, you'll see a small gear icon which represents the settings menu. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This will open up the settings panel where you can customize how your email works and looks. Inside the settings area, you'll see a list of different options on the left-hand side. Look for the section related to your email identities. You want to find and click on the option labeled Send Mail As. This is the place where Zoho Mail lets you manage how your name and email address are presented when you send messages. Once you're in the Send Mail As section, you'll see the email address or addresses associated with your account. Next to the address you use, there will be a field showing your current display name. This is the name that appears to your recipients. Click into that name field to edit it. Now type in the new name you want people to see when they receive emails from you. Take a moment to make sure everything is spelled correctly and that the capitalization looks the way you want. For example, you might want to use your full name or a professional variation of it, rather than a nickname. After you've entered your new name, look for the button labeled Update. Click on Update to save your changes. Zoho Mail will apply your new display name to future emails you send from that address. To confirm that everything worked, you can send a quick test email to yourself or to a secondary email account and check how your name appears in the inbox. And that's it. You've successfully changed